would be honored if you would join us.
Hello YouTube. This is a project that I've been working on for a very long time. This particular one I'd actually built probably about 12 years ago, and it is resin cast off of an original Weebly & Scott flare gun, and has several different resin parts on it. This was done before the HD releases, which actually got a lot of new pictures and ended up with a lot of information that I found out that a lot of the parts on here aren't actually right. So one of the things I wanted to do is identify the correct parts and purchase them if I was able to, and if not, to do recreations of those parts. So two of those ones that I've decided to do on the CNC machine are this little, it's a split plug. It actually is a found part, and occasionally they do show up, but to get 4 of them anymore is pretty much impossible unless somebody happens to find a cache somewhere and throws them up on eBay or something. They're really difficult to find. So I've taken all of the dimensions of them and recreated them in CAD and building those on here. The other piece is these 2 mounts. There's a small one and a large one, and that's what we're going to be going over today. We're going to be machining those in aluminum here on the Acrolock. So these are what the final parts look like. And once they come off the machine here, I'll have them soda blasted, which gives them sort of a matte finish. And from there, they're going to be anodized and have a black matte finish put over the whole thing. So they should actually come out to be really nice parts that can either be used as is if you're trying to make an EE3 that looks brand new, or you can weather them directly, either additively by painting or by removing some of the anodizing with sandpaper or something to give it that weathered look. Anyway, let's move on to the machining. The entire process is actually quite long, so I've sped this up significantly so you can see the entire process in about 2.5 to 3 minutes. There's a link down below to a full-length video. If you're a masochist, you want to sit and watch this machine do these little tiny movements for 45 minutes. Otherwise, enjoy the fast-forward version.